Why do scientists expect silence in the deep ocean? What they found in the Mariana Trench will blow your mind. Scientists from NOAA and Oregon State University dropped a hydrophone into the Mariana Trench, expecting eerie stillness. But instead, they captured a symphony of sounds: earthquakes rumbling, ships passing, and even the distant calls of baleen whales. The most dramatic audio? A Category 4 typhoon raging above, proving the ocean is anything but quiet, even miles below the surface. This experiment at Challenger Deep, the trench's deepest point at 36,000 feet, challenged the tranquil deep-sea myth. Their specially designed hydrophone had to descend at a slow 5 meters per second to survive the immense pressure. This discovery reveals a bustling underwater world filled with both natural and human-made noise. So next time you think of the deep sea, remember it's alive with sound. Learn more in the link below.